If you are trying to use your Baby Brezza and you're getting this message right here, so you're getting ready to do it, you press the button, pick your wash mode, then you press this, you hear that. All right, so how to fix it. So here's the back of the machine, and you have your tank where you fill with water, and then this is the empty tank. Usually what I found is if you get that message, it means that there is a little bit of water left in here, so you have to empty it out. And you also have to make sure that this is completely full up to the line. So I'm filling it all the way up to the line, the fill line. The baby's playing, so, and then we will try it again. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's try it. And voila, it works. So if your Baby Brezza, you're getting the signal right here, it's beeping and it's not working, just make sure that you've emptied the tank over there and